Hello guys, in this video, I will compare Firebase Studio and Cursor to help you decide which tool is better for building modern apps. So let's begin by comparing them across 5 key areas. That is their purpose, ease of use, features, collaboration, and pricing. So let's go on number 1, purpose. Firebase Studio is tailored for front-end and mobile developers who want to visually build apps on top of Firebase services. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-first IDE made for coders who prefer speed and automation with minimal distractions. If you prefer a drag and drop experience, you can go for Firebase Studio. But for code-driven developers, Cursor is a solid choice. Number 2, their ease of use. Firebase Studio offers a visual interface and it's easy to use for beginners, while Cursor has a learning curve, but it provides lightning-fast AI-assisted coding. Number 3, their features. Firebase Studio tightly integrates with Firebase Authentication, Firestore, hosting, and functions, while Cursor supports modern frameworks, built-in Git and AI tools like Copilot. Number 4, collaboration. Firebase Studio allows team roles, cloud functions, preview, and sharing, while Cursor has strong GitHub integration and real-time code sharing via extensions, although it's more individual user-focused. Number 5, their pricing. Firebase Studio is free with usage-based Firebase pricing, while Cursor is free for basic use with premium plans for advanced features and team usage. So for final verdict, you can choose Firebase Studio if you want to build Firebase powered apps visually without writing too much code. And you can choose Cursor if you are a developer looking for AI driven productivity and deep code control. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.